I'm Jamin, I'm a basket maker, and I live in the Finger Lakes. What I do is kind of like a treasure hunt. It really is. I'm probably the luckiest man on the earth. I get to walk in the forest and look for these trees that are in the swamp. What's cool is the roots are buried deep, so that's where the treasure to me is, a buried treasure. And the real treasure is in those trunk of those trees when I find them. So it's just amazing to live in a swamp, have these trees, and we find them. They're not always available, as far as I'll be looking sometimes. And what's cool is I sense that the tree really wants to be cut or not, or be shown to me. That same tree will be there, but it will be a different color. The bark will show like, now's the time. Been really fortunate to always find good trees. You know, that's the best part of my job, walking in the forest and hunting for trees. They're all hardwood baskets, so it's not a cane or a reed. It's actual hardwood splints from the inside of the tree, all the baskets I make. Take the log, basically the base log of the tree, the rest is firewood, but the first cut or two, maybe 8 foot long is ideal, because that's something I can get out, drag out, because the swamp can get your boots stuck. Take that log, take the bark and cambium off, and hammer on the side of the tree from end to end, almost like you're peeling a banana. Visually, that's what it looks like, but you actually compress it first to get the ears to separate from the next. And you end up with all the layers that can be the layers of your basket. So you take the tree apart and then put it back together into a basket form. One tree, might get me a year's work. It's amazing how much material is packed in there. There's some leather work on the strapped baskets. I like the simplicity of a basket itself with nothing on it. It's so perfect to me. It's just a pile of sticks, working together to hold something else. I don't think you can do any better than that, but leather makes it so you can wear it, so we got backpacks and purse type carriers. It's great. I'm able to do it all here. So really, as far as resources, we have what we need. Don't have to go anywhere. It's neat to me to think about the years too, those years. They're all different years. It can be 70 years difference in the weaves that I'm using in a basket. So it's just like moving time. It's just amazing. And that's gonna become a new thing in time for someone else. I just love it. I mean, we're in this area too. We talked about bread basket. It really is. All our neighbors do something incredible. We all provide something. So for me to make the bread basket, I'm just another person in that. Yeah, it's medicine. This area is medicine. I see people come in and they can breathe, and I understand it. Yeah. I don't take it for granted. No, just feel really lucky, and I just want to put it out there for people, to not lose faith, because there's a lot of beauty in, when you find something that resonates, it's worth it. Don't settle for less. Yeah.